Welcome to Grammar Town, where every sentence must be clear and correct, but today, something's wrong. Meet the Punctuation Police, officer period and officer exclamation.
Freeze, comma criminals. You're under arrest for confusing sentences everywhere.
Too many commas make reading hard. We must bring balance to Grammar Town.
Look, the comma criminals are escaping. Kids, can you help the punctuation police catch them?
You'll never catch us. We just like to make lists super long and confusing.
Stop. Commas.
That's against Grammar Law 101. Let's show them how commas should be used.
Rule number 1. Use commas to separate items in a list. Say it with me. Kids, apples, bananas, and grapes.
Apples, bananas, and grapes.
Rule number 2. Use a comma after an introductory word like yes or no.
Ice cream, anyone?
We just wanted to help sentences breathe.
A little help is fine, but too many commas make sentences gasp for air.
Kids, count with us. How many commas do we really need? 3 commas. Perfect punctuation power.
And so Grammar Town is safe again. The comma criminals have learned their lesson. Remember, kids, commas are helpers, not troublemakers. Case closed. Grammar justice has been served. Great work. Junior Punctuation Police, if you liked helping today, hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures in Grammar Town.